Hello friends, welcome to Crisp class. I am Monica and today we will study comparing quantities. Let us solve these sums. 20% of 2500. Percentage means out of 100. And we can write percentage like this. Instead of the percentage sign, we can write this also. So here 20% means 20 out of 100. 20 multiplied by 1 by 100. 20%. 20%. 20% means 20 and instead of the percentage sign we have written 1 by 100 means 20 out of 100. So 20% means 20 out of 100 of 2500. So now we will solve this. We cut these zeros. We will multiply 20 with 25. What we get? 500. So this is our answer. See, we have studied that instead of the percentage sign, we can write 1 by 100 because percentage is out of 100. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. So we have to find the whole quantity. So let the whole quantity is equal to x. We have assumed, we suppose that the whole quantity is x. Now we will write this in the form of an equation. 5% of it is 600 means 5% of it is this x is 600. This is what this statement we have written in the form of an equation. 5% of it we have assumed x is 600. Now we will solve it further. Now see, 5% means 5 divided by 100 of x is 600. Now take this 100 to this side. 5 multiplied by x is equal to 600 multiplied by 100. Now x, we keep this side, we take 5 here, it will go in division form. 600 multiplied by 100 divided by 5. Now we will solve it further. When we cut 5 with this, we get 120. So 120 multiplied by 100 will become 12,000. So this is our answer. So the whole quantity is equal to 12,000 means x is equal to 12,000. Now let us solve this sum. A shop has 500 items out of which 5 are defective. What percent are defective? So now we have to find the percentage of items that are defective. In this sum we will solve it with the unitary method. Out of 500 items, number of items defective are 5. This we are given, we have to find the number of defective percentage of defective items. So we will write the defective items on the right hand side of equals to. This we have done while we were studying the unitary method. So out of 500 items, number of items that are defective or number of defective items, you can write it like this, number of defective items. They are 5. Now out of one item, number of defective items will be 5 divided by 500. Out of 100 items, those are defective, will be 5 divided by 500 multiplied by 100. See why we have done this out of 100? Because percentage is always out of 100. Percentage means out of 100. So we are given the number is 500 items. If we find it in the 100 items, the number of defective pieces, we will get our answer. So out of 100, how many defective pieces? cut 5 by 5, so we get 1. So we are having one defective item out of every 100 items. So our answer is 1%. 1% of items are defective. Because 1% means 1 out of 100. 1 out of 100. 1% means 1 out of 100. So, which we have found out here? Out of 100, how many items? 1. So, 1% of the items are defective. Now, we will solve another sum. Meeta saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? Now, here we are given that rupees 4,000 are 10% of her salary that she saves. We have to find the total salary. Now let us suppose that the total salary is X. Let Meeta's salary is equal to X. Now we have assumed let Meeta's salary be X. Now we will solve it further. Meeta saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, means 10% of X of her salary is rupees 4,000. This is what is given in our question. Now 10%, percent means out of 100 of X is 4,000. 10x will be 4,000 multiplied by 100. X is divided by 10. This 10 will come in the division form here. Now we cut the zeros. We get 4. So X is equal to 40,000 means her total salary is equal to rupees 40,000. So rupees 40,000 is Meeta's salary.